understanding the concept of energy vortex. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, energy vortex. This term might sound complex, but we'll break it down together. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. An energy vortex refers to a location or area that is believed to have a high concentration of energy. This energy can be spiritual, natural, or even mystical. People often associate these areas with healing, meditation, and spiritual awakening. But remember, it's not a scientific term. It's more spiritual and metaphysical. The phrase, energy vortex, has its roots in New Age spirituality and metaphysics. It became popular in the late 20th century, especially in areas known for their scenic beauty and natural wonders. Places like Sedona in Arizona are famous for being called energy vortexes. You can use energy vortex in various contexts. For example, when discussing places known for their spiritual significance, Sedona is believed to be an energy vortex. In metaphysical discussions, some people feel rejuvenated after visiting an energy vortex. It's important to clarify that energy vortex is not a scientific term. Scientists typically do not use this term as it falls more into the realm of personal belief and spirituality. It's more about what individuals feel or believe about a place rather than measurable scientific facts. I hope this video helped clarify the meaning of energy vortex. It's a fascinating concept that blends spirituality, nature, and personal experience. Remember, it's all about individual perception and belief. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language learning journey.